I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and powering devices. Check the projector input, HDMI, VGA, USB-C, or wireless, and pick the exact cable or adapter. Once you have the cable, plug the projector into power and turn it on so its lamp can warm up. Make sure your laptop battery is charged or plugged in. Next, connect the cable to the laptop. Do this while both are on so you can confirm the projector displays a signal immediately. Once the physical link exists, you configure how the display behaves. On Windows, press Win+P and choose Duplicate to Mirror or Extend to use dual displays. On Mac OS, open displays and use Arrangement to Mirror or Position screens. Then set the resolution to one supported by the projector. Incorrect resolution causes blank or cropped images, so make sure your laptop output matches the projector's native resolution. Also adjust refresh rate and scaling. If text or slides, now launch PowerPoint in slideshow mode and verify the projector shows the full screen slides. Use presenter view if you need notes. Make sure notifications are silenced and power settings prevent sleep so the presentation runs uninterrupted. If the projector shows no image, first switch the projector input and reset the cable, then check the projector lamp and laptop video output settings. If problems persist, try a different cable or adapter. That one troubleshooting swap often finds the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.